This is Michael with the Vision Experience, and in this video, we're going to take the opportunity to show you how our HD SilverBright 3D movie screens can be made seamless, any size, to your custom specifications. We're in Vail. We just upgraded the audio video for this theater with a 15,000 watt 7.1 surround system 3D projector and our SilverBright movie screen. Now, we can make these any size because of a special heat welding process that we use. That process puts a tiny seam in the screen. It's like a little indent. It's practically invisible. A lot of people don't even worry about it, but if you want it to remove it, let me just see if I can grab it. There it is right there. It's very tiny, but the solution we have to make that seam go away is we include a strip of the same movie screen material. It's a little bit thinner, and you just glue that over the seam. And once you glue that on there, it becomes invisible. And that's all you need to do. And we include the strip and the glue with all of our silver movie screens. And that's it. So you can have this wonderful 2.8 gain screen with high contrast, high color depth, and polarized for 3D with a wide viewing angle, available seamless in any size. And it's available at thevisionexperience.com.